In today's Tech Talk, we want to show you how to embed video into your Canvas page. Before we actually get to the embed code, let's look at a few places where you might find useful video for your course. The first is YouTube. We strongly suggest you create a YouTube account, which will allow you to upload short videos you make for your students, caption the videos, and embed the videos in your course. But YouTube is not the only place you can store your videos. I also use Screencast-O-Matic, which is a great tool for creating, captioning, and hosting video. Another great resource is TED Talks, which have engaging videos on a multitude of topics. Or your campus library, which most likely has streaming content available for your use. I have found really useful films on demand. Go check them out. There are many, many resources for films and video, but we'd like to mention one more, and that is the Canvas guides. Providing just-in-time tutorials for your students is a really important support service, and Canvas has some of the best tutorials around. Okay, let's get down to work though, and see how we can get these video resources into our class. I'm going to work in a module in my sandbox called Embedding Video, and I'm going to show you some techniques for YouTube, Screencast-O-Matic, TED Talks, Canvas guides, and films on demand. Let's start with YouTube. First, many are tempted to add video content to their course by using the option to add an external URL. Let me show you why that's a bad idea. From YouTube, I can grab the URL associated with my video. When I choose the option to add the external URL, however, though my video displays on the page, there are no directions to guide my students. They have no idea what they're watching, why they're watching it, or what they should be learning. Thankfully, there's an easy way to add videos to a content page. Let's add a new page to our module now and insert a meaningful title that will allow students to find the resource. Embedding your video within a content page also means you can provide context for the video, meaningful directions, a study guide, or background information that will help your student make the best use of the video. Also include the length of the video, and since your video should be captioned, remind them that they can turn captions off or on as they need them. Okay, you're ready to embed the video. Canvas has a seamless integration with YouTube, so all you need is the URL for the video. Copy the URL, then use the rich content editor to paste the URL right into the content page. And Canvas magically acknowledges and packages your YouTube video. The video will appear small. This is called a thumbprint. Though this may seem odd, it is designed to work well with mobile phones and tablets. Students can make the image larger by selecting the video. In addition, just in case technology is not cooperating, the YouTube Canvas integration automatically inserts the URL of the video, which means students experiencing technical difficulty have the information they need to go straight to YouTube and watch the video. One problem. The link to the video is not meaningful. It will sound like gibberish to students using a screen reader. Change the URL to a meaningful link by selecting the URL and then selecting Command K if you're using a Mac or Control K if you're using a PC. A dialog box will open that allows you to rename the link. Enter the name of the video, then save your page. Looks pretty professional, right? Okay, let's look at another hosting source, Screencast-O-Matic. To embed video you've uploaded to your Screencast-O-Matic account, simply copy the embed code from your account dashboard. Before copying the embed code, select the size of the video. Believe it or not, you want the smallest size. Copy the entire strip of code and then head back to your Canvas content page. Though you added the YouTube URL via the rich content editor, to enter the embed code, you'll need to switch to the HTML editor. Select HTML Editor, then place your cursor where you want the video to appear and paste the code. Switch back to the Rich Content Editor and you'll see the placeholder for the video. If you want the video centered, highlight the placeholder, then use the Text Alignment button to center the placeholder. Save your page. Embedding video from sources like TED Talks is just as easy. Select your video, then click the Embed Code icon to get the code. Copy the code, and then paste it into your content page using the HTML editor. Another important resource for students are the Canvas guides, which are hosted on Vimeo. When you view the guides from the Help menu, you will not see the embed code. To get to the embed code, select the Vimeo icon. This will take you to the original video hosted within Vimeo. Select the Share icon, that's the little paper airplane, and then select the embed code option. Copy the code and paste it into your Canvas content page using the HTML editor. There's one final resource I'd like to tell you about. Check your library to see if you have access to Films on Demand, or ask your librarian which streaming services they offer. With Films on Demand, you can embed excellent documentaries and academic films into your class. Even better, the films are broken into segments, so if you have a particular segment you want to highlight, you can embed just the clip from that segment. I love Films on Demand, and so do my students. Okay, I hope this gives you a lot to play with. As always, let us know if you have questions or need technical help.